Hey, music lovers! If you're vibing to the infectious beats of Jamaican dancehall, you've likely heard of Elephant Man, the energy god himself. Before diving into his colorful life and career, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on your favorite artists and their journeys. O'Neal Bryan, born September 11, 1975, in Kingston, Jamaica, is better known as Elephant Man, a dancehall legend whose high-energy performances and unique style have left a global mark. Nicknamed Dumbo in his youth due to his large ears, he transformed this into his stage name, embracing his individuality. Growing up in the tough Seaview Gardens district, he was mentored by dancehall icons like Shabba Ranks and Bounty Killer, who inspired him to pursue music despite his mother's reservations. His career kicked off in 1995 with the Scare Dem crew, but he soon went solo, carving out a distinct niche with his dyed yellow-orange hair, light lisp, and electrifying stage antics, like climbing stage props. Elephant Man's music blends traditional dancehall with hip-hop influences, evident in hits like Log On, 2001, and Ponda River, Ponda Bank, 2003. His 2004 Puma deal for All Out in their Olympics campaign marked his international breakthrough. Collaborations with artists like Busta Rhymes, Wyclef Jean, and Mariah Carey boosted his global appeal. Albums like Good to Go, 2003, and Let's Get Physical, 2008, with Bad Boy Records solidified his status. His song Gully Creeper gained fame when Usain Bolt danced to it at the 2008 Olympics. Known for tracks like Willie Bounce, which sampled Gloria Gaynor's I Will Survive, he's a staple on rhythms like Diwali and Coolie. His lifestyle reflects his larger-than-life persona. Dubbed the Energy God, he dazzles with diamond chains and vibrant fashion, often urging peers to step up their style game. A father to at least 38 children, he's been open about his large family, though controversies, like disownment claims by some children, have sparked headlines. Legal issues, including a 2012 arrest for alleged assault, later dropped, and a 2020 quarantine violation charge, have also shadowed his career. Despite this, his philanthropy and mentorship of young artists show his commitment to his community. Elephant Man's net worth is estimated at $4 million in 2025, primarily from music sales, streaming royalties, and live performances. His electrifying shows at festivals like Reggae Sumfest and international tours remain lucrative. Endorsements, like his Puma deal, and merchandise sales add to his wealth, though controversies have occasionally impacted potential brand deals. With 388.4K monthly Spotify listeners and recent releases like D-Best, 2022, he continues to thrive. Elephant Man's journey from Kingston's ghettos to global stages embodies dancehall's raw energy. His legacy as a vibrant performer endures, making him a true icon.